Chapter 8, Section 11 in the 7th grade note-taking guide is entitled Symmetry. So here we're continuing to talk about geometric transformations, but really what we're focusing on is just the idea of a reflection that we discussed in Chapter 8, Section 10. So let's talk about the different facets of symmetry here by taking a look at the definitions. What is symmetry? Symmetry here, line symmetry, is a figure has line symmetry if one half is a mirror image of the other half. A figure has line symmetry if one half is a mirror image of the other half. So what's going to look a little bit different here is that you're just going to be looking at one shape, one figure, whereas when we talked about it in 810, we were actually looking at two shapes. We had the original shape, the pre-image, the after shape, which was the image, and we put that together and said this is reflection. Well, here it's just going to be one shape with a line cutting through it, and that's how we're going to create our reflection. The line of symmetry is the imaginary mirror in line symmetry. Asymmetry means a shape is not identical on either side of a central line, sometimes just said to be not symmetrical. Now, rotational symmetry is a little bit different. A figure has rotational symmetry if it can be rotated less than 360 degrees around a central point and coincide with the original figure. So what they're talking about there is we're going to take and turn the shape. And as we turn the shape, if it lands back on top of itself before we reach one full revolution, 360 degrees, that means it has rotational symmetry. And we'll see what that looks like in a minute. And then the center of rotation is the point about which a figure is rotated. So when we're applying that rotational symmetry, we fix a point, and that point is the one that never moves, and we start turning the shape around that, and that's how we identify rotational symmetry from that fixed point.